Welcome back, Mojo. This is the Peak Project.
Day 6 wasn't a highlight reel. After dinner with my folks and some Christmas shopping, I found myself doing a late night ab workout. So I made sure day 7 started with a bang. Day 7, and I'm getting after it early this morning. Looking for that first 5K today. I just finished up my first 5K since starting this project. It wasn't perfect, but as the sun rose, so did I, and I found today's peak.
Let's move, baby.
My feet hurt already.